Satnam and welcome, dear yogi. Today we're going to share with you a practice that helps alleviate any coughing, especially if you're feeling ill and your chest is really congested, eliminating mucus and really clearing up the respiratory tract. So it's a very gentle, very sweet exercise that you can do essentially every few minutes of every hour, especially if you're not feeling well. So if you're sick at home and you're just coughing all the time and you want to suppress this, do this a few minutes every hour, rest in between, and you'll see a difference. So what we're going to do is, if you can, you come into lotus pose. If that's too much, you're going to come on your knees. So depending on how flexible you are and what suits you. This will be a full lotus. I'm quite flexible. For me, that's easy, but that doesn't mean it's easy for everybody. So you know your body best. Alternatively, you can do it in rock pose, sitting on your heels. And you're gonna interlace the hands behind, holding them in Venus lock. You're gonna come forward, forehead touching the floor. And now you're gonna raise the hands as far above the head as possible. So opening up all the chest area as well as the shoulders. And we're gonna stay here and breathe long and deep, relaxing for about 2 minutes. Just find a peaceful state of mind. It's very soothing, connecting the third eye to the floor. It's a very safe pose, so it helps. Feeling of security, feeling of care. And also gets rid of all the mucus so we can remove the coughs and breathe normally. And inhale and come up. Slowly, slowly. Come sitting in easy pose. It's very soothing, very calming exercise, but it also helps open up the respiratory tract. So hope this helps. If you don't feel well and you have a cold or you feel like it's coming, we have several beautiful classes that will boost the immune system, boost the whole protective field around you so that you can come out of this disease much faster. So if you look somewhere below the video, there will be some links to the website with few videos that you may enjoy, which are longer, more deeper in practice. But this specific breath and posture were very good specifically for curing cold. So I hope it helped. I hope you get better if you're watching this and you're feeling well. And I'll see you very soon. Sat Nam.